Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Victor, and welcome to your plant lab. With me is a beautiful Cattleya. It's called RLC King of Taiwan, and this Cattleya's flower is so big. It's almost like 9 inches across. If I'm not mistaken, it's almost like as big as my head, or a little bit smaller, I think. So this Cattleya has been with me since 2018, and I bought this Cattleya as a seedling. I would say it's like, when it was small, it's like about 5 to 7 inches high, and I placed it in the same pot. I haven't changed the potting ever since. So it took me like about a couple of years before the plant reached to this stage, and it's so rewarding. By the way, the point that I have here showing this to you is that I raised this Cattleya under artificial lights. I mean under LED lights that is running for 12 hours a day. I'm using a timer, and I don't really mind about when to turn it off or on. It just goes on by itself. Now, when I go home, I can smell the fragrance of this one. It greets me even from the kitchen, so I can really be aware of its existence. Actually, I would say growing this under artificial lights is fairly easy, because all you have to do is that you have to set up the right type of LED for your growing, and it has to be running at 12 hours the least, and it's very economical on electricity, because anyway, my lights are made out of LED lamps, so it's really very economical when it comes to lighting. And my apartment usually costs me overall electricity wise about $65–50 a month, and it's not bad, including this lights that turns on for 12 hours actually every day. Now this plant, by the way, is quite compact, as you could see. So that's the main reason why this plant stayed here in the same pot for 2 years. So it's a great economy and time saver as well for repotting and everything like that. So all you have to do, apart from the light, you need to spray them say once every 2 days or twice a week. The only game that I do is that whenever the potting medium starts to dry off, that's the time that I start watering once again. So the sprayer that I use is usually having a diluted orchid fertilizer, and it's about like a quarter of its power from the those amount recommended by the manufacturers. I just use 25% of its power, so it's very, very diluted. Now apart from this, the watering, all you have to do is just keep the area ventilated as much as possible. And mind you, the artificial lights that I have been using is away from the window, so basically or theoretically they're not exposed to any kind of sunshine at all. So this is a great plus for basements, for any kinds of rooms that doesn't have any windows at all. So but you can still grow this very successfully. Like, it's so pretty because the light shining from the artificial source is just from the top, so you're gonna see the upright stance of this plant, and it's very, very, very attractive looking, because it doesn't just flop onto one side trying to reach out for a sunshine or something like that. So yeah, that's what I could say about growing this orchid under artificial lights and with spraying. And I could say even the most novice of people can grow this. Trust me. So if you have any questions about growing this, you can post me, and then I could try my best to answer all your questions as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video, and then I hope you learned something about growing Cattleyas like this. It looks complex, but the care is just plain simple. Thank you, and may you have a great day.